In Delhi, the police have launched Operation Shishtachar, in which women constables are taking on people who harass women. The visuals on your screen are from a DTC bus in Delhi, where a constable thrashed a man when he allegedly tried to harass a woman passenger. With a view to teach these people a lesson, Delhi police have launched Operation Shishtachar, in which women cops are posted at busy places like markets, metro stations, cinema halls and buses in civil uniforms so that they can immediately catch the culprit. Atir Khan is now joining us with more details. Atir, when was this launched by the Delhi police? This seems to be an idea that will at least put the fear of the law in the people who harass women.
Well, Maha, this drive has been started recently, and such drives are conducted by Delhi police from time to time. Basically, the idea is to have the surprise element in which lady constables are in plain clothes, and whereby they, catch eve teasers red-handed, since it has become a problem in Delhi. So now the lead has been taken by Central District. So this drive it's an initiative by Central District, which is having these lady constables at various places, and they have also rounded up some people. And what is different in this drive is that it also includes counselling of the offenders. The provisions under which they are being prosecuted are Delhi Police Act at the moment.
All right, Atir, many thanks for joining us with those details. Let's quickly listen in to CP B.S. Basti now on this issue.
160 के आसपास व्यक्तियों को हमने पकड़ा था जो महिलाओं के साथ छेड़खानी कर रहे थे, और इस जो है ऑपरेशन शिष्टाचार को हम समय समय पर दोहराएंगे, और दिल्ली के मैं जितने भी पुरुष हैं उनको मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि आप अगर कोई भी ऐसी हरकत करोगे जिससे किसी भी महिला को तकलीफ पहुंचेगी या उसे एनॉयंस होगी सड़क के ऊपर में, तो आपको बिल्कुल भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा.
All right, Atir Khan is back with us for more details. Atir, you said there is a surprise element over here with these constables who are trained in civil uniforms, who just spring up into action and take on these people who are caught harassing women head on. Now, how many women constables have been trained for it? Do we have an idea of what the exercise entailed?
Well, Maha, there is no separate training. They have only been briefed about this menace, and they have been, they've been asked to be deployed at various places. But the question is regarding the, sustainability and the consistency of such drives. Such drives are initiated, but then eventually they fizzle out. So the question is, how long will Delhi police be able to sustain such type of drives, given that often they are they're short staffed because they also have to make several deployments.
All right, that's correct, Atir, but at least this initiative by the Delhi police will certainly be welcome by the women, and especially those who commute daily in public transport and are constantly harassed by the male passengers. Sometimes here you can see on your television screens one of the women constables trained for this taking on one of the harassers.